Ken Shamrock, the Big Boss Man, and Draws. Should they be in the WWE Hall of Fame? I think so. I think so. Especially the Big Boss Man. Ken Shamrock, a former Intercontinental Champion and a Tag Team Champion in the WWE. I think he should too. He was actually the referee in the match between Bret Hart and Stone Cold at WrestleMania 13. So I think there should be a place for him in the WWE Hall of Fame. Draws. He got injured, put in a wheelchair. He put his body on the line for people, you know. He was in the movie Beyond the Mat. He was the guy at the office talking to Vince in that movie. If you watch Beyond the Mat, talks about it's a wrestling documentary basically, and it said in the film at the end he was injured and his career had ended due to his injury, his neck injury, paralyzing him. Match with D'Lo Brown. Well, I guess he landed wrong, But yeah, but he should be in the Hall of Fame too. I mean, but yeah, these three guys, all part of the Attitude Era. You know, I think they should be in the Hall of Fame. I don't know when, but sooner or later. They put Donald Trump in the Hall of Fame. They put Pete Rose in the Hall of Fame. Why not Ken Shamrock, the Big Boss Man, or Draws? Give your thoughts on that. Should they be in the Hall of Fame? Yes or no?